pobre, pero tengo lo que quiero y mis gustos siempre me los doy. Mucho le agradezco al viejón por sus...
What's good, everybody? It's DOPEZAMORA back with another video. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing today of my Viking coilovers. So in case you guys don't know, I'm gonna be doing a 3-link in the rear with a coilover setup. So basically that'll get rid of all the leaf springs, shackles, flip kit, all that stuff. And it's gonna be the links with coilovers. So I just got them today from Viking Performance. I wasn't sure if I should do these or QA1. I had seen some pretty bad reviews on the QA1, so I decided to go with these. I hadn't seen anything bad about these, so we'll go ahead and unbox them right now. Alright, so that's everything that's in the box. Some more boxes. I'm guessing these are the shocks. This is probably the spring. And then we got the wrenches to adjust them. So let's open this one. And so we've got all the purchased. This is the top one right here. And then these two are the ones that go on the bottom and adjust. The eyelets, this is where your bolt's gonna go through, top and bottom. Warning. Alright, so this is a shock right here. Viking Performance, double adjustable. Okay, so now we've got, let's see what this is. A receipt basically saying what I bought from Viking. Alright, now we've got some Viking stickers. Alright, so let's open this one, which I'm assuming is the spring. What the fuck? Alright, so yeah, there's our spring right there. And that's all that's in that one. So I'm thinking of powder coating the springs and then all the bars for the 3-link. I'm still debating between like a bright red or a candy red, just because my seats are gonna be like a regular red and so is my bed liner. So I'm not sure what red to go with. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments, if I should do the bright red or the candy red. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I'll be back with another video soon.
Rico ni pobre, pero tengo lo que quiero y mis gustos siempre me los doy. Mucho le agradezco al viejón por sus consejos y por todo lo que me inculcó. Y mientras hay que